Now to a warning from the FDA about at-home COVID-19 tests. The FDA is advising people to repeat their at-home test if their first result is negative. Our ABC 10 News reporter Laura Acevedo explains why and what you need to know to avoid a false negative.
By now, most of us have seen these tests that we can take at home, but this is an antigen test, and if taken too soon, the FDA says the results could be misleading. Testing for COVID-19 at home might take you several tests before you get definitive results. Last week, the FDA issued an advisory for people to help reduce the risk of a false negative with at-home testing.
It doesn't mean we shouldn't use them, because when you think about it, if you've got it sitting in your pantry and you start having symptoms, it's going to be positive most of the time when you're actually infected.
But if your initial test is negative, the FDA says be cautious and test again after 48 hours if you have symptoms or have been exposed. If the second test is negative, the FDA recommends a third test at home or a PCR test.
The key is, if you're worried about being infected, to go ahead and test yourself again.
Dr. Robert Schooley is an infectious disease specialist with UC San Diego. He explains the two tests are reliable, but the at-home test isn't as accurate if people test too early when the viral load is not high enough to be detected, something that would happen with the PCR that would get sent to a lab for analysis.
The virus is present in enough quantity to be picked up by the PCR test, but it is still below the limit of detection for that antigen test, which is not quite as sensitive.
Dr. Schooley explains that at-home tests are still necessary to slow infection spread and says they'll be key later in the year when the flu returns.
This is going to be important in the winter because influenza is going to be here, and people will have symptoms that are going to be hard to distinguish up front.
Again, the key here with these at-home tests is if you test negative at first, wait 48 hours and test again to confirm those initial results. Laura Acevedo, ABC 10 News.